Hi there everybody! Welcome back to my channel. My name's Ashley. It's been a long minute, I know. So sorry. It's been a long time since I've posted on this channel, so bear with me. For those of you who are still subscribed to my channel, thank you for watching if you are watching. If you're new, please subscribe. I have some awesome stuff coming up. This is my old vlogging channel. It's no longer going to be my vlogging channel. I've decided to change it up and make it my new organizing channel. So I decided last year that I wanted to start my own organizing business. And I've decided to call that Ward Off Clutter. Well, what do you know? My last name is Ward. What? So this is a job that I've been wanting to do for quite some time. I made a business of it last year, but it has not quite boomed yet. So I've decided to pretty much show everyone what I can do right on here. This is gonna be an awesome channel. I'm gonna have some new stuff on here, organizing, renovating, redecorating, you name it, cleaning, all that kind of stuff. But stay tuned, you guys. I have some awesome stuff coming up. I have an upcoming video coming up for my son's bedroom, so stay tuned for that. Our family vlogging channel is The Ward House. I'll put that in the description down below, so go check that out. So keep watching, you guys. I hope you love it. Please, and if you guys have any suggestions on anything new, or what you want to watch, what you want me to work on, what you think is gonna be cool, please put it in the comments down below. I'm super stoked to do this. And again, if you're new, subscribe, push that like button, and stay tuned for more.